Shall we begin? Whoever wants to follow up, it's okay. We're going to repeat. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? I'm about to mute everybody until I share a screen with you, okay? Right, guys? Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, so, do you think that I need to mute? Hi. Hi, sweetie. Do you think I need to mute you? Or you can mute yourselves? Can you mute yourselves? Hi, Serene. How are you?
Good.
Awesome. You all look awesome. Fine. Then listen to me. At the count of 3, you're going to mute yourselves, okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm not gonna mute you. You're big enough right now and you can control everything now. Okay?
Okay.
At the count of 3, we're going to mute ourselves, okay? All right. So now I'm going to share a screen with you.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yes. Yes, I can hear you, Kinda. But everybody else can hear me, but I don't know what's the problem. Okay, then you know what? You want to try to log in again? You can't hear me? Hi, Sarah Abu Al-Ainin.
Teacher, she might didn't log in the call.
Maybe you want to try again to relog? You want to try again?
There is like
Okay.
a button written on it, log in call.
Okay. Maybe. So listen, guys, because we don't want to waste more time, at the count of 3, you are going to mute yourselves. I'm not going to mute you. You're 4th grade right now. Okay? 1, 2, 3, mute. Good job. So now I'm going to share a screen with you. For the ones who attended yesterday, we already saw it, but we are actually revising things that are related to sound, okay? Look at the screen. Can you all see it? If you can see it, raise your thumbs up. Okay, so you can see it. You've seen it before, right? You've seen it at the time of the quarantine and you saw it in the class, right? So listen to me, guys. Now, you can use the raise your hand gesture if you want to answer. Okay, and then the moment I say your name, you have to actually unmute yourself and answer. Don't want more. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. Mute yourselves. Can you do this? I'm not going to mute you. You have to mute yourself. Who's that? Hi. Who's that? Let me see who's talking. Hi, Tala, how are you? Zaid Haji, new attendance. Ibrahim Zarbi, hi. Hamasat. Oh, new students today. I know, we have to stop every once in a while to welcome somebody. Huda, hi. So let's all begin. Are we ready? Are we ready? Great.
Yes.
Thank you for muting. So in the picture, yesterday we saw like 2 slides. The first one was about sound. I asked them, what is sound? What is sound? Who wants to answer? Say if answer, but unmute yourself once you answer. Okay, Saif.
It's an energy.
Excellent, it's a type of energy. Good job. And how is it made? Hamza answer.
By vibration. Oh.
Thank you, but please raise your hand because they use the gesture. Raising your hand. Hamza Al-Kayali, please answer.
Vibration.
Okay.
Vibration.
Objects. Okay, when objects what? Objects what? Objects. Okay, guys, now if you want to answer, Hamza, unmute yourself. Do you want to answer? Okay, go ahead, answer. Okay, Lean, answer, sweetie.
Sound travels in invisible waves.
Excellent. It travels in invisible waves. How is it made? How is sound made? By what? How is sound made? Yes. Okay. Who wants to answer? Two raise their hands. Let's see who. Okay, Ibrahim, answer. Ibrahim. Hello. Ibrahim. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Ibrahim, answer حبيبي. How is sound made?
جربت كل هذا الحكي.
Sound can travel through solid,
مستحيل
liquid, and gas.
Excellent. Sound can travel through solids, liquids, and gases. Good job. Good job. It travels through the three states of matter. Good job. Fine. Now. Okay. Who's calling me? Okay, guys, I'm gonna ask you to mute yourselves.
Teacher, I can't hear you.
Honey, I think everybody can hear me, but the problem is that you have to relog. Okay, let me send you a message or something.
Hi, Neil.
Okay, did you receive my message? I can hear you. Okay. I sent you a message, Kinda. I sent you a message. Okay. So guys, let's go on. Let's go on. I'm going to mute you again. Again, raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay. Great. So in this slide, we have a device. We have a device. What's that device that we used in the lab? And remember when it splattered the water, when we put it on the water and it splattered? What is it called? What is that called? Abdul Karim, yes, answer. Abdul Karim.
Yes, teacher.
What is it called, this device in the picture in here?
Tuning fork.
Tuning fork. Good job, good job. Now let's see who didn't answer from yesterday. Zaina Shhade. Janjun. Janjun, Habibti, answer. It's in your sister's name. Okay, Janjun, what's this device? Unmute yourself once you answer. Unmute. What is it? What is it called? Good job. Tuning fork. Fine. Now, in here, in your ear, what is it that vibrates? What is it that vibrates? Which part? Which part? Ibrahim Zarbi, yes, answer. Ibrahim Zarbi.
Teacher,
Hi, Bayan. Barhum, answer.
Teacher, the eardrum.
Bravo, the eardrum. It vibrates. Excellent. Why does it need to vibrate? To do what to the brain? Why? Why does it need
هيك
to
بس
vibrate?
اثنين شبكين عندي مش
Baby Haji.
مركز.
Haji, answer. Kinda, did you hear me?
Now I need.
Can you hear me? Okay. I was Zaid Al-Hajji, I was waiting for your answer.
Teacher,
Yes.
can you make it all back again?
How's that?
Teacher, what is the answer? The question?
Okay, the question again, Kinda, just a second, honey. The question is, why does the eardrum have to vibrate? Why?
Because if it vibrates, the sound when the sound comes, it vibrates and we can hear the sound.
Okay, it vibrates. But when it vibrates, what happens to the sound waves? Where do they reach?
The ear.
To the ear.
Okay, fine, to the ear. And this vibration, why is it so important in the eardrum?
Because then we can hear.
We can hear, okay. Okay, now once the eardrum vibrates, it has to vibrate 3 tiny bones. These are the tiniest bones in your body, okay?
Okay.
Then this vibration will travel into your brain somehow by nerves, okay? This is a little bit extended, okay? Fine. Now, let's welcome new students who showed up today. We've got Ghazal, Layal, hi sweethearts, and who else?
Me.
Ghazal Duredi, Layal, hi sweethearts, so nice to see you.
Teacher, I want to answer.
Who's raising the hand?
Me, Zena.
Then Zoon, answer, sweetie.
Okay, what's the question?
Okay, let me ask you a new question. Look at these 2 waves. Look at
Okay.
these 2 waves. Which one do you think expresses or shows a loud sound? Which one, the blue or the yellow?
The blue.
The blue, good job. So the height or the amplitude of the wave tells me if the sound is loud or quiet. So what's the difference between loud and quiet sound? What's the difference? How they are made? How is loud and quiet sounds made? Okay, I can't see raised hands. Guys, raise your hands. Okay, Muhammad or Abdullah? Which one?
Difference between the
Yes.
low sound, the wave is the low sound, the wave is smaller than the bigger.
Okay, the small wave happens because of so many vibrations, strong vibrations, or really little vibrations, like soft, little energy or a lot of energy?
Little energy.
Little energy makes a quiet sound. Good job, good job. So you're Muhammad or Abdullah? I can't tell right now.
Muhammad.
You're Muhammad. They're identical. Okay, so let's ask a new question. Saif, could you please sit properly? This way you will sleep. Can you sit properly, please? Imagine like you're in a class, okay? Great, thank you. Okay, who else didn't answer? Serene, I didn't hear you. Serene and Hamasat. I didn't hear your voice. You have a question. What's this device? What's this device?
It is a sound level meter.
Good job. Good job. Now, the next question is for Hamasat. Aboud, thank you so much because you're participating. Thank you so much. Okay, Hamasat, here's a question. Can you hear me? Nod your head if you can. Can you hear me, sweetie? Okay, here's the question for you. Now, once this device shows a reading, ya Hamasat, it will have a number, right? What's the unit that shows me I am measuring sound? What's the unit? Hamasat, I can't hear you. Unmute yourself. Come on. Hamasat. Come on. Let's give Hamasat a chance, okay?
DP.
Okay, that stands for what? DB is for what? What's the word? What's the word, ya Hamasat? Taleen, honey, I can't see you. Okay, can the answer, sweetie? Decibels. Good job. I'm so happy that you could hear finally. Thank you. Okay, it's decibels. That's the level for measuring sound level. Good job. How loud or quiet the sound is. Guys, do you remember what we did in the class with the sound level meter on my mobile? Remember? Yeah, remember, right? Okay, let's see who's going to answer the next question. Muhammad Al-Ghanem. Are you ready to answer? Ready? Okay, Muhammad Al-Ghanem, look at these two waves. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to give you another question. Which one of these could cause ear damage?
The
How many decibels?
160 dB.
Decibels, good job. What might happen to the ears if a person is not wearing ear defenders?
Maybe pump. It's maybe pump the eardrum.
Okay. Hi, Lamar. Excellent, excellent, Habibi. Good job. It might hurt your eardrum. There's Lamar, but I can't see Taleen Kababji till now. Tala as well. Hi, Taleen. Hi, sweetie. Where is Tala and Huda? Guys. All look so silly, guys. Whoever is taking the Arabic class, you can actually. Good Ghazal, hi. Like a minute to welcome somebody before we go. Are you ready to go on? Okay. Okay. I'm about to mute everybody and then we will go on with the next, okay?
بس الكلمات الموجودة عندك بتجيبي من عقلك كلمة.
Okay, so in this picture in here, we are talking about matter and sound, okay? Somebody said, one of you said that matter can travel through the 3 states of matter, right? Sound can travel through the 3 states of matter, solid, liquid, and gases. But does it travel the same way through the 3 states of matter? Does it travel the same? If you want, you can raise your hand to answer. Does it travel the same? Hamza, answer. Unmute yourself and answer. Answer.
No.
No.
Teacher,
How is it different between the 3 states of matter?
Teacher, in water it travels the fastest, but you can't
Excellent.
hear it because there is water in your ear. And
Excellent. Great. Thank you.
And on wood it travels. On solid it travels slower, but not the fastest, but not the slowest. In air it's the slowest.
Excellent. Which is faster? Solids or liquids? You have to remember the shape of the particles.
Liquid.
Does it travel faster in liquids or solids? Raise your hand. Don't say teacher. Raise your hand. Good job, Hamouz. Excellent. Guys, I'm so happy that you still remember and understand everything. Yazan, yes. Answer, Habibi. Yazan, Sweetie, unmute yourself and answer.
Which question?
Okay, the question is, what in water sound travels in a good way, right? But why can't we hear really good in water? What happens?
Because there is. I don't know. I don't remember.
You do, like when you're when you're in the pool. If you put your ears like under the pool, why can't we hear really quickly? Although sound travels faster in water than in air. Why?
Because the vibration.
Okay. What's wrong with water and why we can't hear really clearly under the water? Why? Hamasat, yes, answer, sweetie. Unmute yourself and answer.
When you under the water, your ears become all of it water. You cannot hear.
Great, excellent, because of the water going inside your ears. Good job. Yes, who's saying teacher?
Me, Zena.
Zanzun, yes, honey. Yes, sweetie.
It's actually like before yesterday, I was in a pool and they were putting music, and every time I was underwater, I heard nothing. But when I came back again, I heard everything.
Yes, exactly. I mean, you can hear like really unclear sounds, right?
Yeah.
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 So, yes, exactly. It's because of the water in your ears makes the sound travel in a weird way through your ears. So that's why you can't hear clearly. Okay, so the last question, guys, before we say goodbye, and then we can go on later, is the following. Okay, let's choose a picture here. Again, the picture of the three particles and how sound travels through them. Yes, Zanzu. Yes, Zena. Jana.
Teacher,
Yes.
I wanted to answer the question that.
Okay, you want to say it? You want to say the answer again? Yes, go ahead.
I just wanted to say the solids, the particles are closer together, so that's why the particles it's faster. The sound travels faster because the particles are more sticky and they give each other different than the gas and the liquid.
So remember when we stood in a line in the class and we acted like particles? And how the wave was fastest when we pushed each other, when we were sticky? It's exactly like this, right? Okay. Guys, it was really fun with you today. You were awesome. Anjad, you are amazing. You still remember everything, but I really need you to be experts in sound. That's why we are giving you these reinforcement classes, because we need you to be experts, okay? So inshallah, see you after tomorrow, Thursday, same time. I hope you will be, you will have your enough sleep, okay? And it was fun with you today. See you later, guys. I love you all.
I have never been
Teacher,
Yes.
I wanna tell you something.
teacher.
Okay, wait, just one by one. Who wants to tell me something? Raise your hands, please. Raise your hands. Use the gesture, the hand gesture. Okay, Ghazal. Yes, Ghazal, honey, what did you want to say? Ghazal. Yes, honey. What?
بس الناس عم بيروحوا وخلص الحصة تقول لي
Ghazal. Hello. Yes, Lamar. Yes, honey. Lamar, yes. Yes.
Teacher,
Go
there
ahead.
is another class.
Yes, on Thursday, inshallah, same time.
No. Now.
No, it's over. Actually, the time's up for the class. You are going to move to the next class right now, okay?
Yes, but
Okay, I love you all, guys. I have to end this meeting, okay?
Okay.
I have to end it.
Something.
I love you so much. Who wants to tell me something? Hamad? Yes, go ahead. What is it, Habibi?
It said when the fan at night when it's come to me, I didn't feel with the air. When it's come to my brother, I feel it. How it is?
What is it?
The fan.
The fan?
When when the fan come to me,
Yes.
the fan come to me. The air I can't feel. When it go to my brother, I feel it.
It seems like you're actually a deep sleeper. Maybe that's why you
No,
didn't feel it.
no.
Magic? Then you have to search it. Search for it, okay? It's like
Wow, magical.
bye
Magical.
guys. I love you so much. Okay?